Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear some special cases related to median and especially in continuous series. These are the precautions which must be kept in mind when we calculate median in continuous series. So students, to subscribe the channel to see all the videos, all the concepts related to median. Either those are practical concepts or those are theoretical concepts. So let us start. First of all, see what is the first precaution that must be kept in mind. Number one, case first. If inclusive series is given. Now, what is meant by inclusive series? Then do convert this inclusive series into exclusive series. Suppose that series is given 0 to 9, then 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49 or 50 to 59. This is inclusive series. Inclusive, and you have to convert this inclusive series into exclusive. How you will prepare this inclusive into exclusive series? First of all, see, this is a first class interval and this is second class interval. Inclusive series means first class intervals upper limit and next class intervals lower limit will not be same. If those are same, then it will be exclusive series. If these are not same, then it means this is inclusive series. Now let us see what is the difference between 9 or 10. Difference is of 1 digit. Do convert this 1 digit into two parts, 0.5 plus 0.5. So 0.5 will be deducted from lower limit and 0.5 will be added to upper limit. So let us convert the series. This will be minus 0.5, instead of minus 0.5 we are writing 0 to 9.5. 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5. So in this way, first of all, convert the series inclusive into exclusive and then you can do your sum. Otherwise you can't do. Second case. Case second. If mid values are given, then convert mid values into a series. Suppose that mid values are given. Mid values are 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. So the values of x will be 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So do convert mid values into proper series. Then you can find out the value of median, otherwise you can't find out the value of median. And the third case is if cumulative frequency is given, then convert this cumulative frequency into ordinary frequency, Suppose that, example, suppose that the values of x are given less than 10, 20, 30, 40, and number of students are given as, these are the values of x, then number of students are given as 5, 12, 20 or 40. Then we will convert this into a simple frequency. Actually this is cumulative frequency, and we will convert this cumulative frequency into simple frequency as 5, 12 minus 5, 7, 20 minus 12, 8, 40 minus 20, 20. So first of all, convert this cumulative frequency into simple frequency, and then you can solve your assignment. Then case 4th. In case 4th, if open end series is given, then no need to convert the series into limits. Number 5. Case 5th, and this is case 6th. If the values are given in descending order, then convert the series into ascending order. We have already clear inclusive into exclusive series. We have clear mid values, convert the mid values into class intervals, and last assignment is unequal class intervals. If unequal class intervals are given, then no need to convert unequal class intervals into equal class intervals. Suppose that the values of x are 15 to 17, then 17 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 50, then 50 to 100. So you are not supposed to, no need to convert equal class intervals. And here descending order or ascending order means maximum to minimum. Suppose that values of x are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is ascending order. And for descending order 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. So you will convert this descending order into ascending order. So these are some cases. We will first of all, the values which are given, we will find out either which case is given. Either the series is inclusive or exclusive. If exclusive, then we can do our sum easily. Either mid values are given. If mid values are given, then we have to prepare class intervals. And if cumulative frequency system is given, and similarly here, if the values are given more than 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the number of students are given as 50, 40, 35, 10 or 2, then we have to convert this cumulative frequency into simple frequency. Convert into simple frequency. First value, what is the difference between 50 or 40? That is 10. Next difference, 40 or 35, 15. 40 or 35, only 5. Then 35 or 10, the difference is 25. Then 10 or 2, the difference is 8, and last value, that is 2. So we have to take this frequency. We will take this frequency with these, the values of x. It means cumulative frequency will not be taken into account. Just we have take frequency. We will convert cumulative frequency into frequency, then we will do our sum. Similarly, if open and series is given, it means open and series means the values of x are given as below 5, then 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and above 20. So if such type of series is given, class intervals are given, then no need to arrange the series. And next, if the values are given in ascending order, we have already clear, and if unequal class intervals are given. So first of all, check all these cases. Do convert the cases. If unrelevant values are given, only then you can calculate the median, and you can find out the desirable results. Otherwise, you can't calculate the value of median. So do subscribe the channel to see all such type of typical cases related to median. Thank you.